And I also got a fun package that I want to unbox for you. Good morning. It is close to 7 o'clock in the morning. It's still pretty dark out. In terms of my goals last night, I did manage the 7 hours of sleep, but I didn't get up as early as I intended to. It's fine. I stayed up late last night watching a movie with the husband, and we just went to bed a little later. Mondays usually for me, I don't tend to wake up as early as any other day. I have my mastermind meeting at 8 p.m. usually. I'm usually up late anyway, so I sort of compensate by waking up a little later. Kiddo stayed the night somewhere else, so I am going to try to work as much as I can on this chapter for today, and we will see what happens. Hey, so just a mini update here. This morning I got about 300 words into the manuscript, not finishing the scene chapter that I was doing. I did have sort of a revelation of what's going to happen in the chapter, but not necessarily finishing it. It's just a matter of time for me, like the lack of time. I don't regret at all getting the sleep I did, because I know that's the most important thing, but I'm sort of working on a plan for December to be able to possibly get a day off just to work on the book, but we'll see. It's a busy season, and while I have time, I can do that. I just need to make sure it works within the schedule for work. So that would be very, very nice. I'm sort of trying to hold myself accountable to that. And even if that turns into a weekend day, it might just need to happen. I usually reserve my weekends for family, but when it comes to deadlines, sometimes I sacrifice that because it's not something I do very often. Most weekends, I would say 99% of them I reserve for family. So when it comes down to a deadline that I need to hit, I may need to do that. So that's just my thinky thoughts for now. I'm winding down for work for today, so I may go downstairs for a little bit and do a workout before I go through the night routine of dinner and family time and bedtime and all those fun things. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I plan on checking in either before or after my mastermind meeting in terms of goals for the week. You already know my goals, but sometimes I have other goals. I haven't sent a newsletter out in a couple weeks. I usually am pretty good about my bi-weekly schedule, but I have been dedicating all of my free time to my book and health and physical health and everything like that. So as much as I would like to be consistent with that, sometimes it's not possible, and sometimes things have to go by the wayside during deadlines. So I'm a bit stressed, but I'm hoping that if I work out a bit, get some energy back, even though it tends to be depleting, but I find that it's very invigorating for me to work out. And then maybe my mastermind meeting happens a little quicker than usual, and maybe I can just finish out the night with the chapter. I think it will be a night that I don't puzzle or read. The book that I'm currently reading, the chapters are a bit long, so I sort of said to myself, I'm going to do one chapter a night. I'm going to see what time I end my chapter before going to bed. So a lot of things up in the air. I find that I feel very overwhelmed on Mondays, and today is a Monday when I'm filming. Just a lot of thinky thoughts and a lot of moving forward with things, and just trying to stop looking at January when I have a whole month of December to sort of do my book and everything. But I tend to very much live in the future and always have to reel myself back to the now and do the things that I have to do. So I'm gonna go do a workout and have some family time, and I'll check in with you later. So fresh face and new after a workout, and I have dinner in the oven. Just taking a quick break to check in. So I don't feel as much on goals as I need to be. As I mentioned before, at least in terms of my steps today. I did stand a bit at my desk, but the workout was definitely helpful. And I also got a fun package that I want to unbox for you. So this is a package I got. It was a Black Friday sale from my friend Jenna Moresi, and I'm so excited. I have one of her tank tops for the Save Your Sister, and in the summertime I basically live in that shirt. It is so comfortable. So I figured I would treat myself for Black Friday, and I got another piece of merch. So do you want to see it? So I did get two, but today I only got one, and it is the sweatshirt that said Book Babe on it, and I'm gonna try it on right now. So this is the charcoal sweater, Book Babe. I got a size medium. I like my sweatshirts a little bit big. Sometimes I like to wear things underneath it. So it is so soft and it is so cute. I freaking love this so much. I'm so excited to wear this all winter. It's been getting so cold here in New England, and this is so comfortable and warm even just from putting it on once. So I am excited to wear it, and hopefully the next piece of merch will come during Vlogmas, and I'll be able to show you that as well. So that was just a quick check-in. I love unboxings and videos, and I'm so happy to have this sweatshirt. It is so adorable, and I'm just gonna keep wearing it the rest of the night basically because I'm a book babe. So mastermind meeting is over. It's about 9:40. So instead of finishing my chapter for today, I'm going to prioritize myself and go to sleep. So it was a productive meeting, and I have all my goals set for the week. So I think I'm going to take about 10-ish more minutes and just sort of outline what I want to do tomorrow. I have a notebook that I sort of just write anything in, like my to-do list, so it's like regular lined paper, and it has like dates at the top that you can like circle. So this is just like my brain dump, and I find it very helpful to do it at the end of the day, and then because the beginning of my day is usually my book, and just go throughout the day so I don't forget anything and just keep things at the top of my priority list. So I will be doing that. So just as a reminder, and which I'm so excited for, in just a couple more days I will be unboxing this. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to do this, so I just wanted to share that little sneak peek, and I will see you tomorrow.